So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, if it's your first time, thank you so much for clicking. My name is Ruth Kimani and I'm from Kenya but currently living here in Germany. On my channel I share my own experiences as a foreigner living here in Germany. I do haul videos and sometimes I just want to have fun. So today's video is going to be another haul video. It's a Shein haul video, this time not clothing haul. I did like a home haul of things that I thought that we needed in the house. And before I talk too much, let me take you guys through. So the first thing that I bought, guys, is a kitchen mat. It's a kitchen mat. Let me start by like taking it out. This is how it looks like. There are two of them. This is the small sized one. This one is the small sized one, and this one is the longer one. So that's how it looks like. It's very nice, and it's actually, I don't know if you can tell, but it feels so nice and very, very comfortable. And this is the other side. It's like a press on. It's going to stick to the ground when you put it down. Don't mind my nails, guys. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks like when I put it in the kitchen. The only thing I wish it was a bit wider, because it's, as you can see, it's not wide enough, but I'll show you when it's on the floor. Tusukuma ni hicho tu. Ni hizo tu ziko.
Kuna sukuma nyingine, sipike sukuma nyingine.
So guys, the next thing I bought are these hangers. This is what you get when you buy them. It comes with it comes with these two hooks like these ones. It's plastic, by the way, and something like this. You have to fix them together. You start by taking this one and this one, you put it inside here like that, and then we're going to take this side. This is how it looks like, and then you're going to like put it in there. This is the first side. You do the same to the other side. Like that, and you take this other edge. So this is what you're going to have when you're done. To have something like this, and then I'm going to demonstrate it to you how you're going to use it. So guys, I'm just going to do a small demo with the hanger that I got. This is mine, the pink one. Like I just added like 9 blouses on it. And the thing about this hanger is that it's going to save you space in the wardrobe. Like when it's like that, it's taking a lot of space. You just take off one side of the hook and put it like that. Can you see how much space I'm saving by just doing like that? The blouses are still on the hanger, but they look like this. This is how they are now. So if I do the same with all these hangers, that means I'm going to have enough space here to put more clothes. I don't know if you get it, but this is how it's saving up that space. And the hanger was only going, guys, for €3. I think this is worth it, guys. I think this is worth it. I got 3 of them in this color, in blue, for my husband, and I got 3 of them in this color for myself. The next thing I got, guys, is this kind of a hanger. This one, guys, is for hanging the trousers, jeans trousers. You just hang them like here, like this, like this. As you can see, I just added my trousers on it, and I have like 5 trousers now in one hanger. You just have to add your trousers like that, and I also think it's going to save me a lot of space, and it's make your closet also look so cute. So this is how I'm going to use mine, and I bought like 5 of them, 5 for myself and 5 for my husband, and they were on sale for going for less than 3 euros, guys. This is also worth buying, trust me. Next thing I got, guys, is a pillowcase. You know, when I saw this pillowcase, I was like, I just wanted to have like, when I saw it, I just wanted to grab it. As you can see, it has like the world map on it. It's 50 by 50. It has a zip here on the side. And the material, I don't know if you can see that. Zoom or focus. Is very nice. I got 2 of them. I also got 2 other pillowcases. I wanted something bigger, but I ended up grabbing something this small. It's supposed to be a pillowcase as well. It was supposed to be a size bigger, but I don't know why. Maybe, but it's nice. The material is nice. Then maybe I need to get a pillowcase. A pillow this small. It's 30 by 50. This is 30 by 50. It's perfect, but it's a bit smaller. So the next thing I bought is these bag package thing. On the pictures it looks so good. I just hope it's the same. You can put it in your wardrobe, but the sizes of the bags, they have to be small sizes. This is how it looks like. And you see this space? You put a handbag inside here, and this other space you put a handbag inside here, and this other space, it has 3 spaces on both sides. That means it's going to help you, like it's going to fit 6 bags inside. Okay, and then you're going to hang it in your drawer. It's nice. I like it. It's nice. But the way it smells, oh my god. I also needed something for my fridge when it comes to organizing my fridge. These are supposed to be fridge organizers. They look smaller than I thought. I thought they're going to be a bit bigger, but they're too small. Let's open the green one. This is how they look like. And this is how you just fix them in your fridge. They have like this movable parts, and then you put your small grapes inside, and then you push them in your fridge. They're going to be set in one place and not all over the fridge. Got 4 of them, 3 in white and 1 in green. I don't know how I ended up getting 1 green. I think I ordered 2 green and 2 white, but they just sent 3 white and 1 green. Next thing I bought is also a pillowcase. I thought this is so cool. This is so cute. As you can see, it's a leaf, and I thought it's nice. I thought it was so cute. I got 2 of them as well. The prices of all the stuff that I'm going to mention is going to be on the description box or on the screen. They were very affordable, guys. They were all very affordable, and the material is okay. You can't complain. But to be honest, you have more quality stuff. This is not so. For the price, it's good. I got two of them. Two of them. So I went ahead and grabbed some pillowcases as well in a different color. You know, I know so many people are asking themselves, why does she need so many pillowcases? Of course I'm not going to put them on at the same time, like all of them at the same time, but maybe, you know, every month we need a change in our room. So I'm going to be like changing the way things are going to be looking in my living room.